That was not that good butterfly. These things are so freaking oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know it. Does this stuff smell just too good? Yeah. And it does smell too good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.